Hey everyone, it's been a while since I have did a video. Sorry about the noise. I live on a really busy street. I'm just showing you guys my mustard greens. They are finally starting to grow. It looks like something was eating them up, so I put some 7 powder on them just to kill the bugs so I can at least get some type of harvest off of them. These are my collard greens, but they are still struggling. They coming along a little bit though. I had to put some 7 powder on them as well because something was eating them up. Just giving you guys an update on my greens. And I have some spinach growing right here. So I need to weed in the spinach too because I see some weeds growing. But I was just giving you guys an update on my little garden. I'll let you guys know when I'm ready to harvest these mustard greens and the collard greens. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.